हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू आस्टक। तो आज आम ये वीडियो जाना एमसीक्यूज टॉप 100 एमसीक्यूज एंड ओडिया हिस्ट्री ऑफ ओडिशा एंड ओडिया नेशनलिज्म। तो चैनल जदि न्यू अच्छे तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो। वीडियो जदि पसंद आसला तो वीडियो को लाइक करो, शेयर करो। तो स्टार्ट करवा। हिस्ट्री ऑफ ओडिशा एंड ओडिया नेशनलिज्म। देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु वाज द फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ ओडिशा ड्यूरिंग ब्रिटिश रूल? मधुसूदन दास, विजु पट्टनायक, कृष्णचंद्र गजपति, गोपबंधु दास। Correct answer is option C. Krishnachandra Gajapati was the first Prime Minister of Odisha during British rule. Who is known as the father of modern Odisha? Madhusudan Das, Biju Patnaik, Gopabandhu Das, Fakir Mohan Senapati. Correct answer is option A. Madhusudan Das. Madhusudan Das is known as father of modern Odisha. तो तांकर ओडिशा जो गठन करिबारे ह्यूज रोल थिला, ग्रेट रोल तांकर थिला मधुसूदन दास करो। से जने लॉयर भी थिले, फास्ट लॉयर, फास्ट ग्रेजुएट भी थिले। फर्स्ट ओडिया लैंग्वेज न्यूज़पेपर उत्कल दीपिका वाज स्टार्टेड बाय होम? मधुसूदन दास, गौरी शंकर राय, गोपबंधु दास, फकीर मोहन सेनापति। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, गौरी शंकर राय। गौरी शंकर राय को जो उपाधि दिया हूँ कर्मवीर गौरी शंकर राय। द उत्कल दीपिका लिखा जाइथिला कर्मवीर गौरी शंकर राय। The largest brackish water lagoon in India located in Odisha is Chilika, Hirakud Reservoir, Kanjia Lake, Ansupa Lake. Correct answer is Chilika Lake. Largest brackish water lagoon in India is located in Odisha, that is Chilika Lake. The famous Lingaraj temple in Bhubaneswar was built by which dynasty? Ganga, Somavanshi, Maurya, Bhoi. Correct answer is Somavanshi. तो सोमवंशी मानक टाइम रे लिंगराज टेम्पल होइतिला। The first Odia novel Padmamali was written by Fakir Mohan Senapati, Radhanath Ray, Madhusudan Rao, Gangadhar Meher. First Odia novel Padmamali was written by, correct answer is option A, Fakir Mohan Senapati. तो फकीर मोहन सेनापति को कहा जाए व्यासकवि फकीर मोहन सेनापति। तो से 6 माण 8 गुंठ, लक्ष्मा, रेवती एगुड़ा सब से लिखिथिले। तांकर फास्ट ओडिया नोवेल थिला पद्ममाली। Formation of Odisha as a separate province was on April 1st, 1936, August 15, 1947, January 26, 1950, November 1, 1956. तो ओडिशा फॉर्मेशन होइथिला, करेक्ट आंसर इज 1 एप्रिल 1936। तुम जो स्वतंत्र ओडिशा प्रदेश, तो ओडिशा उत्कल दिवस ता होइथिला। तो तुम ओडिशार बर्थडे जोटा कह जाए एप्रिल 1, 1936। The famous Panchasakha poets of Odisha include Sarala Das, Gangadhar Meher, Radhanath Ray, Balaram Das, Jagannath Das, Achyutananda Das। पंचसखा फेमस पंचसखा पोएट्स तुम्हारा करेक्ट आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी, बलराम दास, जगन्नाथ दास, अच्युतानंद दास। एमान को पंचसखा कह जाए। ये 3 जण बहुत पॉपुलर थिले। जगन्नाथ दास को अति बड़ी जगन्नाथ दास कह जाए, अति बड़ी जगन्नाथ दास। Which Odia poet is known as Kabivara, the great poet? फकीरमोहन सेनापति, गंगाधर मेहर, राधानाथ राय, सारला दास। कविवर होउचंदी राधानाथ राय। कविवर राधानाथ राय पपुलार होउची चिलिका। चिलिका से लिखिथिले। से जने बेंगली कवि बट से ओडिया रे बहुत भल लेखुथिले। तो कविवर तांको कुआ जाए कविवर राधानाथ राय। The longest bridge in Odisha, the Mahanadi Bridge, connects which district? कटक, जगतसिंहपुर, संबलपुर, बरगढ़, पुरी, खोर्धा, भद्रक, बालेश्वर। Correct answer is कटक, जगतसिंहपुर. Mahanadi Bridge connects between Katak and Jagatsinghpur. Biju Patnaik International Airport is located in Puri, Katak, Bhubaneswar, Raurkela. Correct answer is Biju Patnaik International Airport is located in Bhubaneswar. Odisha State Museum was established in which year? 1948, 1957, 1960, 1963. The State Museum Odisha ro established heitila 1957. Correct answer is option B, 1957. The Hirakud Dam is built on which river? Mahanadi, Baitarani, Subarnarekha, Brahmani. तो हीराकुद डैम तुम्हारा कौ रिवर पर? महानदी. करेक्ट आंसर इज महानदी. हु वाज द फर्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ ओडिशा? विजू पट्टनायक, हरिकृष्ण महताब, आर.एन. सिंहदेव, कृष्णचंद्र गजपति. फर्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ ओडिशा वाज हरिकृष्ण महताब. Odisha became a separate province on March 22, 1935, April 1, 1936, August 15, 1947, January 26, 1950. एटा होची से तुमरा पचाची कि स्वतंत्र ओडिशा केबे हेतिला. ओडिशा रा बर्थडे. ओडिशा became a separate province on April 1, 1936. The Utkal Union Conference 1903 was founded by Madhusudan Das, Gopabandhu Das, Krishnachandra Gajapati, Fakirmohan Senapati. Correct answer is Madhusudan Das. Utkal Union Conference 1903 was founded by Madhusudan Das. Surendra Sai, the great freedom fighter, belonged to which region? Katak, Sambalpur, Khordha, Puri. Correct answer is Surendra Sai is from Sambalpur. Who was the leader of Paika Rebellion 1817? Surendra Sai, Bakshi Jagabandhu, Gopabandhu Das, Madhusudan Das. तो पाइक विद्रोह जो तुम होता 1817 तो तार लीडर थिले किए खोर्धारू बक्सी जगबंधु. द फर्स्ट ओडिया रिवोल्ट एगेंस्ट ब्रिटिश रूल वाज पाइक रिबेलियन 1817, खोर्धा रिबेलियन 1804, संबलपुर अपराइजिंग 1827, none of the above. First Odia revolt against British rule was Khordha Rebellion 1804. Khordha Rebellion 1804. Who was the last independent Hindu ruler of Odisha? Ramachandra Deva I, Mukunda Deva, Purushottama Deva, Govinda Vidyadhara. Last independent Hindu ruler of Odisha was Mukunda Deva. तो मुकुंद देव थिले शेष हिंदू शासक ओडिशा. मुकुंद देव. Jagannath temple at Puri was built by Narasimha 1, Ananta Varma, Chodanga Deva, Kapilendra Deva, Purushotama Deva. The Jagannath temple Puri was built by Ananda Varma, Chodanga Deva. Who shifted the capital of Odisha from Jajpur to Cuttack? Kapilendra Deva, Narasimha Deva 1, Ananga Bhima Deva 3, पुरुषोत्तम देव। तो ओडिशार जो कैपिटल को शिफ्ट करथिले जाजपुर फास्ट थिला, देन कटक को शिफ्ट हैला, देन एबे अछि भुवनेश्वर। तो किए ताको शिफ्ट करथिले? करेक्ट आंसर इज अनंग भीमदेव 3। Which Odia king defeated the Turkish army of Delhi Sultan in 1244? C. Kapilendra Deva, Ananda Varma, Chodanga Deva, Narasimha Deva 1, Purushotama Deva. Correct answer is Narasimha Deva 1. Narasimha Deva 1 defeated the Turkish army Delhi Sultan in 1244 CE. What was the capital of Mahameghavahana dynasty? Pataliputra, Shishupalgarh, Jajpur, Cuttack. Capital of Mahameghavahana dynasty was Shishupalgarh, Bhubaneswar. Next, the famous Kalinga Jina Jain inscription belongs to which king? Ashoka, Kharavel, Harshavardhan, Kapilendra Deva. Correct answer is Kharavel. The famous Kalinga Jain जो थिला inscription ताको करथिले Kharavel. Which dynasty established Shaivism as a state religion in Odisha? Maurya, Ganga, Somavanshi, Bhoi. तो शैवजिम हमारा बाहर करथिले सोमवंशी। तो सोमवंशी माने शैवजिम बाहर करथिले इन ओडिशा। Who was the first ruler of Kalinga after Maurya invasion? Kharavel, Mahameghavahana, Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka. First ruler of Kalinga after Maurya invasion was Kharavel. Which ancient text mentions Kalinga for the first time? Mahabharata, Arthashastra, Atareya Brahman, Manusmriti. Correct answer is option C, Atareya Brahman. The Odisha state anthem is Vande Utkala Janani, Jai Jagannath, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. ओडिशा स्टेट anthem होची वंदे उत्कल जननी। वंदे उत्कल जननी के लिखिथिले लक्ष्मीकांत महापात्र। कांत कवि लक्ष्मीकांत महापात्र लिखिथिले वंदे उत्कल जननी। The first Odia film Sita Vivaha was released in 1936, 1925, 1947, 1950. The first Odia film Sita Vivaha was released in 1936. Hirakud Dam, India's longest dam, was inaugurated in which year? 1947, 1950, 1957, 1962. Correct answer is Hirakud Dam, India's longest dam, was inaugurated in 1957. The Chilika movement 1991 to 92 was related to protection of Chilika Lake, fishermen's rights, industrial pollution. तदे चिलिका आंदोलन होता 1991 टू 1992 रिलेटेड थिला प्रोटेक्शन फॉर चिलिका, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चिलिका, फिशरमैन्स राइट्स, इंडस्ट्रियल पॉल्यूशन. ऑल ऑफ द एबव. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द एबव. Bhubaneswar capital plan was designed by which German architect? Otto Konziberger, Le Corbusier, Charles Correa, Edwin Lutyens. Bhubaneswar capital plan was designed by which German architect? Correct answer is option A, Otto Konziberger. The non-cooperation movement in Odisha was mainly led by Madhusudan Das, Gopabandhu Das, Biju Patnaik, Surendra Sai. Correct answer is Gopabandhu Das. ओडिशा रे जो नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट होता ताकू लीड करते गोपबंधु दास. Who led the Odisha famine resistance movement in 1866? फकीर मोहन सेनापति, मधुसूदन दास, गोपबंधु दास, सुरेंद्र साय. Odisha famine resistance movement in 1866 was led by फकीर मोहन सेनापति. व्यासकवि फकीर मोहन सेनापति. Who was the first chief minister of Odisha after independence? Navakrishna Chaudhary, Biju Patnaik, Hare Krishna Mahatab, R.N. Singh Dev. First chief minister of Odisha after independence is Hare Krishna Mahatab. Hare Krishna Mahatab thile first chief minister after independence. Utkal Gaurav Madhusudan Das is associated with which of the following? Formation of Odisha province, establishment of Utkal Sammilani, both A and B, none of the above. Utkal Gaurav Madhusudan Das is associated with formation of Odisha province, establishment of Utkal Sammilani, both A and B are correct. The Jharkhand Peasant Revolt 1867 to 68 took place in which district? Cuttack, Baleswar, Ganjam, Mayurbhanj. Jharkhand Peasant Revolt was took place in Cuttack. Cuttack district रे Jharkhand Peasant Revolt होता 1867 to 68. The capital of ancient Kalinga was Puri, Shishupalgarh, Cuttack, Sambalpur. Capital of ancient Kalinga was Shishupalgarh, Bhubaneswar. Who was the first British Commissioner of Odisha after its annexation? Thomas Munro, John Beams, Robert Kerr, E. Impey. The first British Commissioner of Odisha after its annexation was Robert Kerr. The Battle of Kalinga was fought near which river? Mahanadi, Daya, Baitarani, Brahmani. Correct answer is Daya. तो दया नदी कूल होता बैटल ऑफ कलिंग. कलिंग युद्ध होता बाय अशोक. Bakshi Jagabandhu led the Paika rebellion in which year? 1803, 1817, 1857, 1825. Bakshi Jagabandhu led the Paika rebellion in 1817. Which British Governor General annexed Odisha into British India in 1803? Lord Cornwallis, Lord Wellesley, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Hastings. British Governor General annexed Odisha into British India in 1803 was Lord Wellesley. Option B correct answer, Lord Wellesley. Jayadev, the author of Gita Govinda, lived during the region of which dynasty? Ganga, Somavanshi, Maurya, Bhoi. The Jayadev जे लिखिले famous author of Gita Govinda lived during the region of Ganga dynasty. Correct answer is option A, Ganga dynasty. Who was the founder of Bhoi dynasty in Odisha? Narasimha Deva 1, Kapilendra Deva, Govinda Vidyadhara, Mukunda Deva. Bhoi dynasty ର founder ଥିଲେ गोविंद विद्याधर. ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट आंसर, गोविंद विद्याधर. The famous Hathi Gumpha elephant cave inscription of Kharavale is found in which place? कोणार्क, धौली, खंडगिरी, उदयगिरी, रत्नागिरी. करेक्ट आंसर इज खंडगिरी, उदयगिरी. जो फेमस हाथी गुंफा अच्छी inscription of Kharavale found in Khandagiri and Udayagiri, located in Bhubaneswar. The Prajatantra newspaper was founded by which Odia leader? Biju Patnaik, Gopabandhu Das, Hare Krishna Mahatab, Madhusudan Das. Prajatantra newspaper जो the founder होचंती हरे कृष्ण महताब. When was Odisha formed as a separate state on a linguistic basis? 1936, 1947, 1956, 1921. Correct answer is 1936. Odisha formed a separate state. Who is known as the father of Odia nationalism? Madhusudan Das, Gopabandhu Das, Fakir Mohan Senapati, Biju Patnaik. Father of Odia nationalism is Madhusudan Das. Correct answer, Madhusudan Das. The Utkal Sammilani was founded in which year? 1866, 1903, 1936, 1912. Utkal Sammilani was founded in 1903. Correct answer is 1903. Which Mughal emperor annexed Odisha into his empire in 1592? Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir. Correct answer is option C, Akbar. Who was the last independent ruler of Odisha before the Mughal invasion? Ramachandra Deva 1, Mukunda Deva, Kapilendra Deva, Purushottama Deva. Last independent ruler of Odisha before Mughal invasion. Correct answer is Mukunda Deva. The Kalinga War took place in which year? 261 BC, 269 BC, 250 BC, 240 BC. Kalinga War took place in 261 BC. The famous Sun Temple at Konark was built by which ruler? Ananga Deva 3, Narasimha Deva 1, Kapilendra Deva, Purushottama Deva. Famous Sun Temple at Konark was built by Narasimha Deva 1. Option B, Narasimha Deva 1. Who was the first ruler of Ganga dynasty to assume the title of Gajapati? Ananda Varma, Chodanganga Deva, Narasimha Deva, Kapilendra Deva, Purushottama Deva. First ruler of Ganga dynasty to assume the title of Gajapati is Kapilendra Deva.